Hello, I'm Alex and I'm one of Vultr creators. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create an email inside cPanel. To create an email in cPanel, you will need to go to your cPanel instance at Vultr, go to Server Details, go to your cPanel login IP, in my case this is mine, paste it in your browser. You will need to log in to your cPanel. After you log in to your cPanel, you will see the Tools panel. Over here, you will need to go to Email Accounts, and you will be able to see the Email Accounts control panel. Click Create and type the username you need for your account. In my case, I have connected my domain by culture.com and my username will be office. Then you will need to set up a password and click Create. Now you can see that we have successfully created our office email. Over here we have our management tab. We can change our password, we can extend our storage, we can add or remove restriction, and we can delete the account if we need it. This is the process of creating a custom domain email in cPanel. Well, you have successfully created an email inside cPanel for your custom domain. This was Alex, and I hope to see you next week on Vultr.